know why it's going blurry. Blur. It's like my camera's pissed. Hello. Do not be afraid. I am just a mouth attached to me. How's it going, guys? Oh, blurry, blur. Good morning to you. I'm about to go to the woods and film part 8 of the big build. Finger's almost better, sort of almost better, cracking a bit and bleeding still, but it's good. I'm good. I can not hammer. I don't know why I was going to say hammer because I'm not doing any hammering at all. I haven't got any nails or screws, and so far there's none in the build whatsoever. I can saw, axe if I need to, use my knife, and all other sorts of things that you need to do. So yep, let's get up there. Basically the reason why I'm here today is because I haven't been up here for 2 weeks or so, and next weekend I've got several YouTubers joining me up there, and I really need to make it a bit more presentable, a bit neater from all. Right, amazing what happens when you wipe your lens. Yeah, I can see myself now a bit better. I'm growing my beard a bit at the moment, hence why it's, I don't know, it's like a, I don't know, sheep's arse. Yeah, whatever. Let's go and film for part 8. Fuck's sake. Bye. Walk is pretty much finished. Here she is. I think I walked tough today. Just going to swing around this corner now. And he'll be seen. There we go. Right. Here she is in all her glory. Let's get these bags down. Absolutely no one's been here in a few weeks, so that's good. Right, so I haven't brought a chair today on purpose because I bought the sex swing, so I'm going to put that up now, have a sit down with a beer before I do any work at all. Right, I'm set up, ready to have a beer. It takes a little while, 5-10 minutes for me to just get my chair and beers out ready, line them up like you got to. So I'm going to show you that line now. I've got a nice little array of my usual brew dogs today. So we've got the Elvis Juice, the Planet Pale Ale, the Hazy Jane with Lava, the Brewdog Mallow Laser Quest, the standard Hazy Jane, just got absolutely love her, the Brewdog Hoppy Xmas, and the Brewdog Lost in Mango. For some reason I've only got 7, I thought I had 9, and there's 2 missing from my bag, which is a shame, but it just means I have to slow it down a little bit. Right, it's supposed to be raining in an hour or so's time, and I think it's going to be potentially light rain for the rest of the evening, afternoon, evening, and through the night. So filming might be a bit limited when that happens, but I'll try my best. Every time I come up here lately it's raining. Yesterday it was the sunniest, loveliest day we've had in ages, but my luck as it is, the next day it's just got rain 1 degree again instead of a nice. It was 8 degrees yesterday, 1 degree right now. It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Right now as it stands, it gets dark at 5 o'clock, but in this woods you're talking more about 4:15ish. I have got all my lights with me fully charged, but I really do need to crack on for the next 3 hours without any stops really, because I need to get some good work done. I've only got today to get this place to ship shape ready for these guys coming next week. At the moment it's a bit embarrassing, so yeah, enough talking to you guys as much as I love to. I've really got to get my ass into gear, so bye. for me to film. So basically, there's my one piece. So get a hoop like I have there in between your fingers. You can have one shorter piece and one longer piece if you want, or you can have them both pieces of twine like I said. Get your hoop, wrap it around the log that you're going to wrap it around, keep it. So there's my hoop in the one hand, there's the two ends there. Grab the shortest of the two ends, which is this one, and thread it through the hoop, and then pull it on itself. It's very simple, and you can actually adjust the length of this one just by pulling it and wobbling it back and forth. Yes, very easy way to do your lashing and get a tight purchase. Because this is a chunky log, I've got to do quite a good point in the end. Wish I could use my axe now. I have got it. It's not too loud, I just get a bit too paranoid. So, as you can see, if you can see, I've cut the two sides. Now I have to cut the other two sides, and they should be good enough to use. I'm really finding this hard today because I haven't had any food at all, so I'm quite hungry. Anyway, gotta go get more wood now. That's not a big window. I'll be back. that wall's mostly complete now. Could do with a branch or two at the top just to finish it off nicely, which I will get to later on, I think. I was just getting a bit worried, thinking, God, where's all my beer gone? I couldn't have drunk 3, but it's on the floor. It's just been picked for me. It's Lost in Mango. I believe this is actually a lager. Is it? Probably just check this off camera, but yeah, lager. Lager like it should be. I'm not a big fan of lager, but when it's got crap infused with it like mango, why not? Right. Well, that is actually really nice. Really, really nice. Recommend it better than the banana one. If you like banana, the banana's good, but the mango, ooh. Would have been better as an IPA, because you do get that bittery lager taste at the end, which when the mango runs out, that's all you're left with. But the initial mango is good. I'm getting a bit bored of doing the floor now. Oh shit. So I just did a little bit then. I'm not going to obviously get the whole floor done, but I'm trying to get, this is the worst bit area which does flood and get really muddy. So it's nice and easy to walk on. It's not trippable or anything, it's all nice and flat. But it's all just dead wood that I'm finding on the floor and stones. Which in an ideal world I'd have go in the whole floor. But at the moment, if I can just fill in these patches and that patch there, there's a little one there that needs filling as well, then it should be alright. At the moment though, I'm going to have a quick break. I feel like I've done quite a bit. Got that wall in place there now. So I've got quite a nice enclosure tonight actually. And with my hooped bivy tent tonight, so I got a choice really. I can either sleep under here in it, which I think I'm going to do, because it's quite fun, why not? I know it's my log storage area, but why not? And I always sleep in here normally, but I don't know, I might go for sleeping under there tonight. Right, it's 4:15. I'm under a spotlight if you're wondering. See, it's not sunshine. I haven't got as much done today as I thought I was going to get done. That's partly probably because I still haven't eaten a single thing today. I haven't really bought any snacks, so I'm just sort of holding off really before I cook my curry. I've got a tin of stag chilli as well, but I don't really want to have chilli and curry. But yeah, so I'm going to get my tent up, I think, because I've cleared out the area where I'm going to put my tent. I'm hoping it's long enough. And I just know that I'm quite lethargic at the moment, and if I don't get my tent up now, it's going to be a pain in the ass for me later. So I bought my Geertop bivi hooped bivi tent today. It's really, really small. I'm hoping to have a fire later on. I bought a bag of firewood with me and several ways to light it. So I'm going to have a nice little camp. I'm not going to be able to sit in my tent. I've got this hammock, but it's going to be facing away from my... I'm talking shit now. Anyway, back to it. Let's get my tent sorted. Right, so this is outside the shelter now I've been making today, and I've just been clearing off with my feet all this ground. So it's all nice and flat and clear. I'm going to make like that's the edge border that you can see. I'm going to make pathways that's going to go off to little like cleared out circular patches for people to put their tents and things. That's the plan anyway. I just saw something move then. Anyway, yeah, so that's the start of a path going out there that I've started. You can see the different contrast, and you can see where I sort of stopped by there now, so I need to carry on working my way around. It's not really worth filming, but I'll film a little bit, why not? So, curry's almost done. It's bubbling away nicely. By the looks of it, it's a chicken jalfrezi sort of type, which my mum's done, but you never know. You never know how much spice she's going to put in it. It's actually nowhere near done, it's still quite cold. Right, a little update now. It's 8 o'clock. I had my curry. I'm not going to bother making a fire because I'm sat under this little shelter and I'm really warm. I've got the foil blanket behind me. I put it up because I thought I was going to have the fire just in front of me and help reflect the heat. It's just not needed. I've got my top open with just my t-shirt showing, so I don't know what the temperature's meant to be right now, but in here it feels about 10 degrees, is fine. So I just got I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm actually sat on my bivvy because it's nice and insulated with my little setup, and I've got my phone here and I'm just watching a program and having some beers. At the moment I'm on the Brewdog Elvis juice, so I'm going to just carry on watching my program and have a couple more beers and then go to bed and hopefully get a nice early night. And then tomorrow, if I wake up early enough, I'm going to make myself a nice cup of coffee, and I might see if there's anything else I could really do. Might do a bit of the floor, get a bit more of the floor done, and it should feel quite nice for the guys, and I'll clear a bit more of the floor outside as well, make that nice. Hopefully get a couple of paths off to a couple of camping spots and clear those grounds out. That would be really nice. If I can get that done, I'll be really, really happy. So if anything else happens, I will pick up this camera and record it, obviously. This is kind of what we do on YouTube. And if nothing else happens, then you'll probably next see me tucked up in this. So, bye. See you in the morning. Right, so whilst I'm watching my film, I turned my torch off from above me and lit some candles. And it's really lovely. I just thought I'd show you and share that moment. Why not? Morning. I had a bit of a lie-in. It's 8 o'clock. Sun's starting to rise, so it's time to get up. My back is killing me. Coffee time. It's time for a John coffee, I think. Yeah, let's get one going. See the area of the floor I cleared out yesterday. It's looking quite nice. So, right, I'm actually all packed up. It's not the best of days. The wind's picked up, and I've got to get home because I forgot I got to actually babysit this afternoon. I've got about 4% battery left on my phone, so I'm not going to bother doing any more today. I think it's looking quite nice for them next week. You know, it looks like a complete shelter almost, at least anyway. So it should feel safe enough and happy enough there. It's the best I can do for the day. I got no breakfast on me either, so time to get going. So just want to thank you for watching again. God knows how many episodes this series is going to take. In my head initially I thought I'd be 5 or 6 videos, but now I'm on whatever one this is, 8. Next week will be 9. So who knows, we could go up into the dozens. So thank you very much. This has been episode 8. Boys in the Woods. Subscribe, like, share, all that. Boosh. And all that effort, you can't see my face. Fuck's sake.